Withdrawing money from your eBay account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Access your eBay account by entering your username and password on the eBay website or app. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, go to the My eBay section. From there, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Payment Options. In Account Settings, find the Payment Options or Manage Payments section. This is where you can manage your linked bank accounts and payment methods. Step 4. Choose Withdraw Funds. Look for the option to withdraw funds. This may be labeled as Withdraw or Transfer to Bank. Click on this option to proceed. Step 5. Enter withdrawal amount and confirm. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the escrow.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, your funds should be on their way to your bank account. Make sure to check your bank statement for the transaction confirmation.